I'm Karan, and in this video, I'll walk you through how you can set up Stripe or any other integration with Referral Rocket for your campaign. So, in this example, I have an affiliate campaign created, and when you navigate to the integration tab, you'd see the list of integrations that you can connect this campaign with. In this example, we'll connect Stripe. So you got the option of connecting either live mode or test mode. Typically, I would recommend connecting with the test mode to test out the entire flow before you switch into the live mode. Right, when you click on the test mode, you would need to authenticate your Stripe account. We partnered with Stripe to create an app in Stripe so that we can actually make it easy for you to connect your Stripe account. You can see that it's installing in test mode. Let's hit continue, and it takes a few seconds to connect with your Stripe account. All right, you can see that Stripe has been successfully integrated. You can verify this by going into your Stripe account. Since this was in the test mode, let's go into test mode. And then if you go into the product catalog and you go into coupons, you can see that there was a Referral Rocket campaign created in the coupon section over here. All right, coming back to the campaign, you can see that Stripe has been connected. You can manage some of the settings for Stripe. And the next step from here is to actually install your campaign on your website, right? If you go into the installation tab, we have a series of steps listed out in terms of how to get started and what are the next things you need to do to install the referral campaign on your application. So if you've connected Stripe, in this example, we'll skip the reward integration, but you can connect with either PayPal or Stripe or Tremendous to send rewards as well. And the next step is to actually install the widget. So this is the demo or dummy website that I'm using. The first thing that you need to do is on the page that the new user lands, you need to add our tracking script. So if you go into our documentation, there is enough information on how you can set up the referral tracking with Stripe. So the first thing I'm going to do is, this is the page that the new user lands with the referral code. So what I've done is I've added the Referral Rocket script into this page, as you can see over here, into the HTML head tag, right? And you can find the script in let's see, you can find the script in one of these documentation for checkout session, for example, over here, right? The next step from here is to identify what type of Stripe product you're using. Are you using a pricing table, payment link, payment button, or checkout session? I'm using a payment table, right? So if I go back into documentation, so I'm using a pricing table. So in this case, I'm using a payment link. So in this example, what I've done is, if you go to the pricing page, I've created a buy button. This would typically be your buy purchase button, and we've provided scripts on how you can update this page and make sure that we're able to track referral payments, right? So this is a script that you add. As you can see, I've added that script as JavaScript into the HTML. And then when the user buys, you can see that we attach the referral code as a client reference ID, which is eventually tracked when the user makes a payment. So this is how easy it is to actually set up referral tracking with Stripe. In the next video, you can actually see how to test this flow once the setup is complete.